Today I'm trying to show you guys. I'm gonna be aiming this dress, quick aiming. The we already cut the amount that we have to shorten. So now I'm gonna use this serging machine to serge it before I will stitch it up. So let's do this together. All right. So this is a Juki serging machine, which is pretty good, more like industrial. All right, so let's do this quick. And also quick thing to point out. So usually, so this fabric is a little bit stretchy. So when you're doing serging a fabric that is stretchy, which is spandex, you don't want to be pulling the fabric as you serge it. You basically you don't want to be pulling it, but kind of see how I'm doing it without pulling it. So that way it doesn't expand once you're done. So all right. So as you can see, look beautiful. So now we're gonna take it to the sewing machine and stitch it up. Join me.